that collide and converge simultaneously, where you end up in a predicament where one cancels out each other. A prime example is when high functioning autism meets bipolar 1 manic episode.
Subliminal, you're incapable of perceiving it. Subliminal now is information that bypasses above the physiological threshold. So like existentialism and epistemology. One idea is solipsism, where a proficient musician or virtuoso can excel to that point in 5 years, or a decade or 2 decades. You've seen
persuasion, things like irony, sarcasm, condescension, and I was
meaning. The algorithm kind of unequivocates that. Does not augment the meaning.
This is from a linear perspective, where an individual from a soul
sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective.
Self-explanatory.
Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.